Okay, time to grease my linkage on this YZ250FX 2020. I'll take that off. Those pieces there, I'll show you the easy way to do that. Okay, so both sides, 19, 19, 17. So just take those off. Okay, so you need glue grease, you need WD-40 and some contact cleaner. I'm just gonna clean this really quick. All nice and clean. Actually, you should be doing this like 2 times a year at least. Make sure like the rust doesn't get into your bearings, especially if you're riding in like water and like lots of mud. So you should check 2 times a year at least. So we have to take the middle off. There's like those guys here. There's this middle piece. Grease is still good, and actually I did it like 2 months ago and it looks pretty good still. I'm just gonna put more grease, but sometimes you can see like if it's gray, if your grease is turned gray, it's because the water went inside, and you should like clean everything and re-grease everything. So this side is not that bad. This side kind of have rust here. That's not good. Let's see here. I'll clean that, but that's bad news. Or maybe it was from last year and I kept the old one. Oh no, it's good. Cool. So yeah, I'm just gonna fill that with grease, clean that, and that's it. So in this case, I'm not even gonna bother taking off the seals. But if like you see like there's dirt and like even if it's rust a little bit, what I do, I just take out all the rollers and I make sure I don't lose any of those. I put them in a box and I clean them with like with some brake cleaner, and I grease everything and I put them back. So it doesn't mean if you have like rust, starting to have rust, it doesn't mean your bearing is dead. You can still save it by taking off all those little rollers inside here and putting them back. Just make sure to clean that good. There's like some dust a little bit that catch on the side here. My seals are still in good shape. Just gonna take off the, there's a little bit of dirt, but it didn't go in, it just stopped there. You can tell like it just got stopped at the on the side here, which is a good thing. Okay, so grease time. I'll throw some grease in it, not too much. Just want to refresh. Oh man, oh yeah. So yeah, you gotta be careful with those rollers. Oh man, what a mess. Damn. Okay, I'll fix that. I have to put them back. Okay, so I put them back. Don't do what I just did. The trick is like when you tap it down and push down. Don't lift your fingers. They're gonna stick to your fingers. Just like that. Not too much. I still have lots of grease actually in it, so I'm not gonna go overboard here. Cool, that's good. Put some grease, not a lot, just tap it. Just want a nice layer, not too much. Put that back. Same here. Put your cap back. There we go. That's good. So the hub is all nice and greased, ready to go back. You should be cleaning this first. This is all nice and clear in there. I'll grease those guys here and clean them. Not too much, just tap. Just want a nice layer. Let's put this back together. I usually like to start with the chuck bolt. Easier to fit. The swing arm, you have to lift the wheel. So the bolts are there. Now I have to torque all the bolts. So for the YZ250, torque for the chuck, it's 53. The middle, the connecting arm, it's 59. And for the swing arm, 52. So I'll do that. $59. I'm still at 52. I'll switch it to 59. Good. And for the chuck, 53. 17 for the chuck. To go down. That's it. So all nice and clean. The stupid, easy way to do it.